what she need, I only get that bitch what I want. Got niggas who kill for me, so I do anything I want. That bro say he gon' slide, but he ain't did that shit not once. Niggas say he gon' spend, ain't did that shit not once. I do this shit for fun. Got rich on accident, how the fuck we keep getting funds? You wait to let that chopper sing, that bitch seem like a ring. The chopper is on me, on my block, on my stripes like Z. Bruh, I can't feel a thing, been sippin' lean, let me some C's. I love 50s, hundreds, but my favorite number is 4 fees. Oh, that's your bitch, please enlighten me, why this bitch on her knees? These niggas don't stand a chance, she play with me, I can't ignite. Bitch, my Nina freakin', she trash, she got a dick and she love.
Everyone desires to be great, start a business, get results, and live the lifestyle of their dreams. But what does that actually look like? What does your day-to-day consist of? What freedoms do you have? What struggles do you face? And how do you utilize your time? What is it like in this pursuit of results? And does this pause for you while you have to figure out your own life while running your business? What happens when the desire and drive fades away? What happens when you're dealing with loss? What happens when your drop doesn't do well and you're forced to cough up money for the loss? What happens when you risk everything for this? My journey has been filled with a lot of lonely nights. Well, let me rephrase that. A lot of nights up alone, but with my partner I can go to at any moment. The truth is, entrepreneurship is a lonely journey, especially when it's just you. You wake up attacking the day and go to sleep doing the same thing. Whether you win or lose that day, you have to attack it with the same mindset. Today, I'll win. During this journey, the biggest blessing has been having a partner, someone who can walk this path with me, can relate to my struggles and assist in our paths to more. Francesca has been that and more for me. This journey started when I was young, selling pens and candy in elementary, and it somehow materialized to a real business with my partner in the face of a shutdown world back in 2020. Locked away and got a taste of virality off some silly videos on TikTok that sparked an idea to achieve the same results but with our creativity. Turn what God gifted us with into a career, a life filled with freedom and a deeper purpose. Even in the face of the struggles that are to come, I knew I'd be smiling because there isn't anything else I would choose.
Just wait your turn. Just wait your turn. Just wait your turn.
Damn, Kivo, this shit hot.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I can't lie, don't even try. Me be lying and say that again so you can see it.
Alright, so Francesca, talk to us about your entrepreneurship journey thus far.
Okay, so I guess I'll start at a major turning point within my entrepreneurship journey. It really happened whenever I decided to launch my headphone attachments under Bourdier. I was doing something that hasn't really been done before, and with that came a lot of fears that, you know, like I was confident in it because I knew I really liked it, but I wasn't sure if other people would understand, you know, like decorating headphones, things like that. And so with that came fears, having to do a lot of new things, having to ask questions, having to learn, you know, like a new space, because I originally was just doing clothing with Chris and then clothing by myself, and then now trying to get into like accessories for headphones. So a lot of new things, and I felt like that was the most difficult thing that I had to do in my life, and then also for my business. But you know, like with that came, you know, people commenting hateful stuff on my video posts, people saying that it's too overpriced, people saying that like it's stupid, like why would I decorate headphones that, you know, like are already expensive. Like a lot of like negativity, a lot of having to deal with haters on social media. But I feel like from that I learned, like that I felt like that was the most difficult thing I had to do, but once I overcame that, I feel like I really blossomed, and seeing the success from that product made me more confident to try new things. So right now I'm trying to, you know, get into denim. I'd love to do jewelry in the future, or whatever, you know, I think about. Like I'm not scared anymore. Like I'm sure there's still fear, but just knowing like that was the hardest thing I had to do, anything I do after is like a piece of cake. Or, you know, just knowing that like I have the power to like overcome it despite being fearful in the moment, and just focusing on, you know, like the results that I want, or like the success that I want. And with that, I'm really happy that I have Chris, because during those times when I was fearful to move forward with either a decision or just dealing with, you know, negativity online, or, you know, trying to problem solve and just being flustered and not knowing what to do, having Chris by my side to like push me to continue on, because he is also an entrepreneurship journey and he understands, you know, like how difficult it may be mentally. So I'm really happy that I have him by my side, and that, you know, I have someone who relates to the struggles that I go through, because it is different, you know, having your own business and the type of problems that you'll have to face by yourself without having to rely on, you know, like your coworkers, or like a large team, or, you know, a corporate office that you could like ask questions to, and it's really just us, you know, working next to each other. So I'm really happy that I have him that I can rely on.
Man, this journey so far has actually been arguably one of the most difficult and like most rewarding things that I've ever done to date. And I just want to leave you guys with a few messages. Well, I'm right here with Yuki. For one, you have to just keep freaking going. A lot is not going to go your way. A lot is not going to go as planned, but you yourself got to keep going. We're nearly 3 years in. Like I launched CEasy June 12th, and we launched Bourdier probably the following week. So we're nearly 3 years into our entrepreneurship journey. It has been filled with lots of ups and downs, but when you zoom out and you actually get to see a portion of the results, right, it's very eye-opening. It's like, dang, us two, some way, somehow, have made hundreds of thousands of dollars off of just like our creativity and ideas that are in our head, and then figured out how to like turn it into a reality. Like, just that alone is like, it's crazy. Like, it's really crazy to think of, especially with where we were when we started, the people that we were around, the thoughts that, you know, just the energy and the words that people gave us that were a lot more pessimistic and negative, and kind of seeing us just continue to move forward, and just kind of seeing how we've molded ourselves into more of who we want to be and less of who our environment tried to make us out to be. I just look at all of this, and I'm super grateful for every single person who has supported any one of our businesses, watched any one of our videos. And, you know, this is really just the beginning. At times, I literally feel like I'm so far away from like where I want to be. Like, I'm like, dang, I need to do this. I need to hit this milestone and that milestone. Like, this piece didn't do well, that piece didn't do well. But when I zoom out and I really just look at things, I'm still going. I'm still creating content. I'm still designing new pieces. Francesca's still designing new pieces, and we're still doing the doing. And I think that's the most important thing. And who knows, fast forward a few years from today, I'm gonna be making a video that might have 10x, 20x, whatever amount that I'm using for the title. So for those of you guys who are on your journey, whether you're walking this path alone for now or you have a partner with you, you owe it to yourself to just keep going. I don't care who is around you. I don't care who is telling you you can't do it. Bro, I don't care if you broke right now, you have money, and you don't got money. I don't care whatever the case may be, bro. Don't give up on your dream. Don't give up on the life for you. Because one day you're going to look back and you're going to be thanking yourself that you kept going. It's your boy Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.